everyone, I'm Mommy Marel and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to unbox something na na-receive ko earlier this week. And sobrang thankful ako dito sa aking family. Yes, sa aking brand family na naalala pa rin nila kami na padalhan ng something. And what are we waiting for? And here it is. Yeah. So we received, Choi Choi and I received a box from Gerber Philippines. Ayan. So, sobrang thankful kami na naalala nyo pa rin kami, Gerber family, my Gerber family. So, what are we waiting for? Let's open na. Na natin yung box na pinadala ni Gerber Philippines and I'm excited kasi we are invited to Halfie birthday ni baby this coming September 12. Yan po. Yan, ito yung party hat. Ayan. So, ayun. Invited tayo sa saan nga ba ito gaganapin? Ito'y gaganapin sa FB page ni Gerber Philippines sa September 12 at 3 p.m. Doon, mag-share si Mama Solen ng kanyang motherhood journey. And then, at the same time, she will also share some tips kung paano niya pinapakain si baby. And then, at the same time, may mga experts na mag-a-advise, mag-share ng tips kung paano yung mga ano yung mga dapat natin isalang-alang sa pagpapakain kay baby. Kasi 'di ba, from milk to solid food. So, may mga bagay tayo na need talagang i-consider, especially yung kung ano yung dapat unahin na ipakain sa kanya, anong klaseng food, yan, kung gaano karami, kung gaano kadalas. Yan yung mga ilan sa mga ating questions as a mom, as a parent. And then, ayun, si Sandra Rocha will host the party sa September 12. So, mommies, by the way, I'm also giving away a 1-month supply of Gerber Organics. Yes po. So, all you have to do is answer this question. Wait lang ha. So, answer this question. How did you celebrate your little one's first solid food? In your most fun and creative way. So, make sure na gamitin yung hashtag Gerber First Food Party. And then, hashtag anything for baby, and hashtag Gerber PH. Ayan. So, yung pagre-share, additional entry siya. Additional points, kumbaga. And then, this contest is open only for Philippines. For mamas and babies residing here in the Philippines. So, on September 12 at 12 noon, I'll be announcing the winner, the one lucky mama and baby winner. So, what are you waiting for? Join na po kayo mga mama and don't forget to attend baby Halfie birthday. So, bye for now. Bye!